We're here at MWC 25 Doha with Dr. Ayman Erbad from the University of Qatar. Good to see you, Ayman. Thank you for joining us.
Oh, great to see you. Thank you for hosting me.
It's an absolute pleasure. Let's talk about kind of building the foundations of digital transformation, some of the work that Qatar University is doing there, Ayman. Obviously, digital transformation, it requires strong academic and technological infrastructure behind it. So tell us a little bit about how Qatar University is investing in research and talent to really kind of strengthen Qatar's national digital ecosystem.
So Qatar University thinks of itself as the main university in Qatar. So we are the largest producer of talent to the local market. So in Qatar University, we think digital is everywhere. So we are trying now to introduce many courses to all students, whether they are law students, business students, engineering students, science students. We are introducing a number of courses there to introduce the topic of digital, the topic of computation, the topic even now of AI as a topic that everybody needs to be aware of when they graduate from the university. Also, we are investing heavily in the College of Engineering. We have electrical engineering and computer science engineering as two big departments with more than 2,000 students. In those departments, we focus more on the technical talents of digital, AI, computation, communication. These are the skills that our engineering students, computer scientists, computer engineers, electrical engineers, going to the market to help all of those companies that we see around us, Ooredoo, Vodafone. So Qatar University investing heavily in its programs, trying to connect these programs to the industry, having industry engagement in the curricula, having training for these students in different companies. So that's what we think of ourselves. We also think of ourselves as a knowledge hub, a place where people come to us for expertise. So Qatar University, with support from Qatar National Research Fund, QRDI, we are building capacity, research capacity. So different entities come to us for advice, for engagements that will help elevate the local ecosystem, especially the technology one.
And let's talk about the specific tech and the deep tech that's driving national transformation, Ayman. Tell us a little bit about how Qatar University is using some of this technology. And when I say that, I mean things like AI and IoT and edge computing. How are you using those technologies in your research and innovation programs to kind of support these national priorities?
To be honest, if you ask me the same question 10 years ago, I would tell you we are developing IoT solutions for very specific scenarios. We are developing edge computing for these prototypes. But in the last 5 years, digital is becoming everywhere. So when my Center of Environmental Sciences is doing research related to environment monitoring, climate change, now they are using very sophisticated computation models, AI, sensing at very interesting levels, at different capacities. If you are working in material science nowadays, you are using AI to produce new materials. If you are doing research in medicine, even dentistry, you are using AI to do 3D printing of things and using AI to do some analysis. So even though I'm a technologist, my work is mainly to use AI to control network infrastructure. We do a lot of that. And Qatar University is one of the top 55 universities globally is in telecom. And we are using a lot of AI, but digital is becoming everywhere. It's becoming very pervasive in the university infrastructure. Our research now uses IoT, uses quantum computing for optimization, uses AI, generative AI, agentic AI to provide very sophisticated solution, not alone, but in coordination with different stakeholders in these areas.
Yeah, and let's take that research from the lab into kind of a real world impact, Ayman. Can you give us some kind of real-world examples of how the university is really translating and transferring that scientific research into market-ready innovations?
We have been doing that for the last few years. We have one route which is more closer to our business model, where we generate IP. We have 134 IP US patents that are generated. Today we signed the commercialization agreement through licensing for 4 companies. Some of them are startups built by our faculty and students. Some of them are local companies that like these ideas to push them forward. We also have some center of applied research. It's called the Qatar Mobility Innovation Center. It's a center that provides real solution. Some of these solutions were used in FIFA 2022 for crowd management, for parking management, for also just smart city solution for traffic. So some of these solutions we sell actually as products to end users to help them in solving their solution. And the advantage there is that we can take that technology, deep technology, and customize the product to the customer need. Why do we do that? We are not competing with the private sector, but we are trying to elevate. Whenever we see a market failure, we have this arm that can develop technology that can help us have that type of technology and elevate the market to another level.
Great to hear those real-life case studies, Ayman. Thank you very much for joining us on Mobile World Live here at MWC 25 Doha. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.